Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to look at formula triangles, what they are and how to use them. Formula triangles are incredibly useful tools that help us quickly rearrange formulas to find different unknowns without memorizing multiple equations. Here's a formula triangle. Let's have a look at what it is. In a formula triangle, the line across is the division line and the line going down is the multiplication line. Next, let me show you how to add formulas to the triangle. Here's the formula for speed. Distance divided by time. Have a look at the division line in the triangle and the division line in the speed formula. Distance is at the top and time is at the bottom. Therefore, distance should be at the top of the line and time at the bottom of the triangle. Speed is placed to the left side of the triangle. Formula triangles work for many mathematical relationships. Let's look at another example: sine, cosine, and tangent. Here are the formulas. Sine of an angle A. Opposite divided by hypotenuse, A divided by C. Cosine of an angle A. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse, B divided by C. Tangent of an angle A. Opposite divided by adjacent, A divided by B. Pause the video and have a go at adding these formulas to the triangle. Did you get them right? Finally, let's have a look at how to apply these formulas when answering questions. Question 1. A marathon runner completed 200 meters in 25 seconds. Work out the average speed of the marathon runner. Speed equals distance divided by time. The formula triangle shows us how to answer this question. Speed is what we are looking for. By covering speed with your finger, we are left with distance and time. What line connects them? It's the division line, meaning we divide distance by time. Speed equals distance divided by time. Speed equals 200 divided by 25. Speed equals 8 meters per second. Question 2. Work out the time taken to travel 92 kilometers at an average speed of 55 kilometers per hour. Speed equals distance divided by time. The formula triangle shows us how to answer this question. Time is what we are looking for. By covering time with your finger, we are left with distance and speed. What line connects them? It's the division line, meaning that we divide distance by speed. Time equals distance divided by speed. Time equals 92 divided by 55. Time equals 1.7 hours to 1 decimal place. Question 3. A pigeon flies for 7 hours at an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Calculate how far the pigeon flies. Speed equals distance divided by time. The formula triangle shows us how to answer this question. Did you figure out the question is asking us to calculate distance? Cover distance with your finger. What is left? Speed and time. Can you predict what we'll do with speed and time? What line connects them? It's the multiplication line, meaning that we multiply speed by time. Distance equals speed times time. Distance is equal to 70 times 7. Distance equals 490 kilometers. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Formula triangles help us visualize mathematical relationships. Cover the unknown variable with your finger. If the remaining variables are connected by the division line, divide them. If they're connected by the multiplication line, multiply them. This method works for speed problems and many other formulas. For sine, cosine, and tangent, We will cover this in detail in a subsequent video. Hope you found this session useful. Please share your thoughts or questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Learning Maths the Easy Way. See you in the next video.